Hey there, I'm Bailey and I'm excited to be here today to share about one of my favorite events in October, Unity Day. The first and easiest way to get involved in Unity Day is to wear orange. The simple act of wearing orange on Unity Day shows those who experience bullying that they aren't alone and that we care. Whether it's wearing Pacer's signature orange t-shirt or another orange item, like socks, sunglasses, shoes, nail polish, an orange headband. Be creative in how you want to show that you're supporting Unity Day this year. Along with wearing orange for Unity Day, you can also get involved by sharing the color orange. One great way to do this, order Pacer's free Unity Day poster. This is something you can display at your school, in your community center, in your business, or even at home. You could also share orange by turning your community the signature color. Ideas include turning a local landmark orange like local bridge lights or your school mascot, or tying orange ribbons to fences or trees. One of my favorite examples is in 2013, the iconic Green Giant in Blue Earth, Minnesota, wore an orange toga for Unity Day. How cool is that? Along with wearing and sharing orange for Unity Day, you might also consider holding an event in your school or community. Ideas can include a library-hosted reading campaign with books about kindness, a mix-it-up event over lunch at your school, or even a community fundraiser to encourage others to get involved and to raise funds for bullying prevention. Some of my favorite ideas from the past years include a school hosting a Unity Day parade over recess, a bakery selling orange cupcakes, and even an orthodontist office encouraging their patients to get orange bands on their braces during the week of Unity Day. One of my favorite things about this event is it really allows you to be creative in how you want to get involved and show your support. The main thing to remember for Unity Day is that everyone's involvement is important. This event goes beyond the school walls and into the entire community. By wearing and sharing orange, however that looks for you on Unity Day, we're sending the visible message that no child should ever be bullied. If you want more ideas on how to get involved, check out the Unity Day guide on our website at pacer.org/bullying. And remember, when we all work together, we can create a world that's a little bit kinder, more accepting, and more inclusive. See ya!